In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website on Shopify. Whether you're starting a new business or looking to take your brick-and-mortar store online, Shopify is a fantastic platform that can help you get set up quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right into it. First things first, head over to Shopify's website. Once you're there, you'll see an option to start a free trial. Go ahead and click on that. This is a great way to explore Shopify's features without any upfront commitment. You will then be prompted to enter your email address, create a password, and choose a store name. Once you have filled out these details, click Create Store to get started. Now that you have your store, it's time to make it look the way you want. Navigate to the Online Store section on your Shopify dashboard and click on Themes. Shopify offers a variety of themes to suit different styles and industries, so browse through them and select one that resonates with your brand. Click Customize to begin editing your homepage. Here you can upload images, add text, and organize sections to reflect your unique vision. Once you're satisfied with the changes, remember to hit Save to keep all your hard work intact. Next, let's focus on adding products to your store. Go to the Products section and click on Add Product. This is where you will enter key details about your products, such as the title, price, and any images you want to showcase. Make sure these images are high quality, as they can significantly impact your customers' purchasing decisions. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, click Save to add the product to your store. With your products in place, it's time to set up navigation so your customers can easily find what they're looking for. Head over to Online Store again and click on Navigation. Here, you can set up menu links that direct visitors to different parts of your website, like product categories or special promotions. Moving on, you'll want to ensure that customers can complete their purchases seamlessly. Go to Settings and click on Payments. Shopify supports various payment methods, so choose the ones that work best for you and activate them. Shipping is another critical component of your online store. Under Settings, select Shipping and set your shipping rates. This could be based on weight, location, or order value depending on your business model. Finally, to make your store publicly accessible, navigate to Online Store and click on Preferences. Here, you'll find an option to remove the store password. Once removed, click Save to make your site live. And there you have it. You've just created a functional and visually appealing website on Shopify. Remember, the key to a successful online store is to keep it updated and responsive to your customers' needs. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new venture on Shopify.